If you enjoy our video today, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as it helps our channel to grow. Hello everyone, this is an Oceanview cabin, deck free. We're on Celebrity Cruises. The room is 3112. I'm just going to show you around a quick cabin tour. Okay, so on the back of the door you've got all your information, emergency information, life jackets, which are actually located under the bed in the ship. We've got a little sign there saying "Do not sleep," which you can take off and stick on the front of the door and have a rest. Okay, so let's go and check out the bathroom first, guys. So you just need to watch your step here. There's quite a large step. They do provide you with bath robes. You can see they're celebrity bath robes, quite nice and comfy robes. We've got, as you can see, a lovely great big mirror, getting ready for the evening. Towels, they're provided every day, a couple of times a day if you want them, lovely and soft. We've got a nice sort of shelving there for all your bits and bobs, covered. There is soap provided, it's the hard soap. We like our own little soft soap, so we just bring a little hand wash with us. There wasn't a cup or a glass at all for the toothbrushes which we like, so what we ended up doing was using the one that they provide for wine or drinks to put our toothbrushes in. You've got a little bin there that you can put in the bits and pieces in. Now the shower, it is a lovely size shower for an Oceanview room. Really happy with it, really powerful. In fact it's better than the one we've got at home. Really good. They do provide you with shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. We've actually used it all, it's perfectly fine. We like to bring our own little bits and pieces, just what we like. There isn't a little string for drying your clothes that we've had on most cruise ships, but there is two little hooks there, and that's what we've been, hanging our little costumes and swimming trunks and bits on. You can see Pete's hat there drying off after he's given it a little wash. So yeah, wonderful shower. In fact, we both sort of said we'd give the shower a shout out because it's the best we've ever had on a cruise ship. It's really powerful, it's a really lovely shower. We've really enjoyed, waking up in the morning and having a nice shower. Hello. It's all nicely tiled, so yeah, lovely clean shower, and as I say, every day, fresh towels, really well cleaned. You can't fault the service and the cleanliness on this ship. Okay, so let's move on to the bedroom. You can see there you've got a full-size mirror, lovely, nice sort of neutral tone. Little vanity area, and there, for getting ready ladies, I think. And a nice big mirror, all lit up really well. Oh, here you've got a couple of hooks, more hooks there for hanging little bits and bobs on. Let's go over here. So they do provide a couple of bottles of Evian water there. That's an additional cost if you want it. However, if you're on any of the drinks packages, which we are on, you get the water for free anyway. So I would say don't use that because it's sort of attached to the minibar, unless you want to, of course. Over this side we've got a little seating area, really nice spacious seating area with a little table. We haven't used that very much to be honest, it's been out most days on excursions. The wardrobe, now the wardrobe's a nice size. It is a lot smaller than some of the ships we've been on before, but plenty, we can fit plenty in. Room there for your shoes. Lots of hangers, although we always bring, wherever we go, we always take extra hangers from home anyway. We've always got loads of clothes to hang up. Let's go over to this area. So you can see there, nice size TV. And you've got a safe there. I think it's all the top of me, yeah. But there's enough size if you want to put a laptop or something in there. Plenty of room, as I say, they're all additional costs if you want any of the bits from the minibar. Over here then, so the room, the drawers are really deep. You've got your hairdryer they provide you with there. Nice deep drawers. You can see how deep they are in there, but they're lovely deep drawers. Okay, so storage is pretty good here because you've got storage above the beds as well. So we've fitted quite a lot in there. The room's a bit messy at the moment because I'm in the middle of packing. We thought it'd be really good to do a little tour of the room once we've used it and sort of see how we get on with everything. So you've got additional little areas here, storage, bedside lights for reading, lots of storage under the bed. You've got your life jackets there at the back, and you're probably just about to see them. You can put your cases under there. We've got our cases out now because we're packing to go home. We like to bring our own little hooks, magnetic hooks, just for hanging hats and bags and bits and bobs. Even little bits of scarves and things like that. What else there is to mention? Oh yeah, the most important thing, the bed. So the bed is curved at the end, which allows sort of more room for around the walking around and everything. The linen they use, I don't know quite what it is, but it's wonderful. It's probably nicer than the bedding we've got at home, to be honest. It's super soft, the pillows are super cosy, and it's such a comfortable night's sleep. Normally when I go on a cruise, it takes me, Pete falls asleep straight away, but it takes me about 3 or 4 days to, feel like I'm properly having a great sleep. But on this cruise, Celebrity, I've slept like a baby from day one. It is a super cosy bed, really, really comfortable, huge, really huge. I don't know if the video really sort of does it justice, to be honest. But yeah, really, really over the moon. So I think with this lovely little cosy room, the thing we've loved the most is a super, super cosy bed and a wonderful power shower. Really, really wonderful. They're the best things I would say about this room. Downside is really maybe the wardrobe could have been a little bit bigger. Other than that, nothing to complain of really. Just really, really happy.
So there we have it, Deck 3, Oceanview room, Celebrity Reflection. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.